It's Wednesday, April 9th, just following up with the QQQs. After buying puts here as this red bar, shooter bar was forming, the second one, it did continue lower. I scaled out and set up a no-risk trade. I really expected it to take out that intraday low. I'm surprised it didn't. Frankly, I still think it will, but it might have to come up and take out liquidity upside first, or maybe it doesn't. But anyway, price action certainly didn't follow through as expected. So once I saw it kind of make up two up bar here and then kind of fall back, I exited some more, and then hoping this push would kind of take out the lows of the day. Then we get another green bar, so I had to exit the trade with an overall small gain, and I'm continuing to watch it. So I bought those 447 puts at 28. I scaled out at 32, 4 points higher to set up a no-risk trade. I had to sell some more at 30, so that's still a gain on those. And then finally I sold the remaining at 27.10. So a small loss on the final position, but good gains on these two. So overall, not a bad gain on the trade. And now I get to watch it. It's a very tricky day where reality, we're just staying inside that first bar the entire day with a bias to the downside, when it develops. But for now, we're not getting the follow through either way. So, we'll see what happens. But to me, if we can fail up here again and get some kind of red bar big, then I'll see, if it's, then at that point you can re-enter and expect to take out that low of the day. And then at that point, you can see if it heads down to some of those lower targets. So it's not like I'm really, biased one way or the other in terms of what today's action is going to be, but I'm still biased overall to the downside when it unfolds, to try to see if we take out the low yesterday and the pre-market lows and now the lows of today. So I'll continue watching it, but I'm out for now. Just got to go with price action, not really following through as expected. Maybe we get a surprise to the upside or something like that. But even if we do, we're still way below the midpoint of the prior day. And I'm just going to have to see how this daily bar ends up. We're just inside of yesterday. But after this red bar, you still expect it to come down at some point and take out that low. So I'm going to monitor for that, and if you miss something else today, that's fine. If we have a big move up, I'm not really looking to buy it, and I will look to re-enter on the downside if it unfolds.